friends, welcome back to my channel Bowerspace. Hope you all are doing good. In my previous video, you have seen how I manage my morning kitchen routine and the 5 steps that I follow to keep the kitchen clean, neat and tidy within no time. Friends, in today's video, I will share with you again 5 steps that will help you keep your bathroom neat, clean and organized for the rest of the day and on a day-to-day basis. Now friends, the tips that I will be sharing with you right now, they are not the deep cleaning tips, please remember that. And I am not going to be sharing much in details about the products that I have used, etc. All I am sharing with you today is the 5 steps that I follow and that can help you to clean up your bathroom within no time. Now friends, as we all know that we do not have so much luxury of time in the morning, or maybe it's not even necessary to sit down and do up the deep cleaning every single day. You can keep the deep cleaning for maybe once in a week or maybe once in a month. Now I'm very sure if you follow these simple 5 steps to clean up your bathroom on a daily basis, I can bet you will come back to this video, put down your comments saying how easy it has become for you. And if it really did, and if you think it worked well for you as well, please do come and let me know how did you feel about it. So friends, without much delay, let's get started. However, as always, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please like this video if you did, and as I would always say, if you have any tips over and above what I'm showing you right now, please do share. I need to learn. Thanks a lot for watching. Without much delay, let's get started.
Mad morning rush leaves with a ton of stuff lying all over the bathroom. Let's tackle the mess one step at a time. Step 1 is to put all clothes away. Putting clothes away frees up a lot of space. Now it's time to put away all the scattered items in the place where they belong to. Pre-treating the bathroom lets the cleaning agent do its task. It makes cleaning more efficient and less time consuming as you don't have to keep scrubbing. Now if you don't want to use harsh chemicals, you can always choose to use a mix of vinegar and baking soda for the same purpose. Now comes the most time consuming part, which is literally the cleaning of the surfaces. So rather than overwhelming yourself, take one part at a time. Well friends, follow the order in which I am trying to show you this cleaning. Trust me, it'll make you much less stressful and much less tired. Now, if you have a bathtub, this is how I recommend that you should clean it up. Just like everything else, pre-treat the bathtub and clean it up with the help of this bathtub brush. And clean up the tiles with the help of a microfiber cloth. And then pull off the shower curtain and you're done. So there we go with a neat, clean and a very well organized bathroom in about less than 15 minutes time. So friends, follow these steps the way I mentioned and trust me, bathroom cleanup will never ever be a challenge to you again. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching and until the next time, stay organized, stay productive and stay happy. Bye bye.